Yeah.
Evening guys, Al here again, off on another adventure. So recently I have seen a lot of people trying to catch snow carp. Now we've had some snow last night. I don't know how long it's going to last, but yeah, I just want to get out and give it a go. Now I'm off to the old specimen lake again at Upham. I'm hoping it isn't frozen this time. It was -2 last night, but well, the snow's come over. We'll just have to get there and have a look really. So I'm going to finish my cup of tea, get on my way. So, just as I expected, smaller ones are frozen, bit of snow on top. Lake 4 is a little bit bigger, so we'll go and have a look. Fingers crossed. Happy days. So if you saw the last one, clear on that side, but now it's frozen. Frozen on the other side as well. But we've got a good body of water, so I'll have a quick look round, see if I can see anything. So rods are in the water now. It's 8:30 in the morning. Starting to thaw out nicely, so feeling good. John and Slapper have just turned up. So yeah, there's 3 of us on the lake. So hopefully we can pull someone out. So it's 12 o'clock now. Still nothing. As you can probably see by the state of my face, the wind is howling. It's probably gusting to about 35-40 mile an hour. John just had a little knock on his, so promising. But yeah, we'll keep going. So hopefully you can hear me through the wind. I've got one just down here. And I saw a fish, the first one of the day, topping in the centre. So I've just put a bait out there as well. So the wind is howling now. Yeah, I'm going to give it one more cast, but it's not looking too good. So the other lads are calling it a day. I think I'm going to as well. There we go guys, another session done. So yeah, as you can probably tell by the state of my face, 35 mile an hour winds, supposed to be gusting. They were constant all day, so hard conditions. Didn't manage to get a fish out either. But like I've said before, it's just about getting out, getting on the banks, getting some fresh air. Yeah, so the winter fishing has beaten us again. But like I've said before, on this channel, I'm just going to show you every session to show you what fishing's about, hence why it's called fishing and not catching. So as always, guys, give us a like on the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notifications bell so any events that we go on, you can come with us, and we'll see you in the next session.